Hey guys, how's it going? So in today's video, we're gonna be talking about, that Black Monday might still happen because it's only 30 minutes of the day and we're already down 400 points. So my prediction is between 1,000 to 2,000 points. If we end off the day in 1,000 points down, that would be insane. That would be very, very insane. But it's looking very bad right now. Makes me kind of happy because, I have put options on the market. I sold most of my shares. I'm in cash and I'm waiting and hoping for that correct opportunity to buy back in and make multiple times my money in the near future. So I'm hoping by this time next year, if I can invest in the right time, my money would be in the range of $3 to $4 or $5 million. I'm hoping, because if we have that market crash, I will multiply my money big time next year. Big time next year. So I'm looking very, very forward to it. Also making a ton of money off options right now, so I'm very, very happy. So I made an option trade example of Apple in the morning. This is like a 2-minute video. So if you're a member, check it out. If you're not a member and you want to check it out anyways, you can sign up for 1 month and then just cancel right after. So, and there's a lot of other videos in here too. There's seven videos. This one has changed so many times. I should honestly delete my new trading strategy. I change my strategy so many times. I experiment in the market all the time, so my new strategy is completely different from this strategy. So, but I made 7 videos that you can check out, or 6 videos you can check out. Took 100 hours on them, so, and right now it's on a discount of 50% off. So if you want to take advantage of it. So, oh wow, 2%, ho ho ho. I mean, damn, Dow is down 2%, S&P down almost 2%. Looks like we're having that Grinch Christmas that I promised, and we might be calling this the new Black Friday. The new Black Friday. I like that name. I called it out on my YouTube video, and the stock is down so much right now. It's ridiculous. 2%, 1%. Oh, this makes me smile because I have puts everywhere. McDonald's, one of my puts. Crap. You know what? I actually had. You know what? It's not important. I had a screenshot of my puts. But yeah, I have a put on McDonald's. I could have put another put in the morning, but I didn't. Damn, that sucks. Canopy Growth. I have no shares for it, and I still have a put, and Canopy's growth is down 2%, which is okay. I wish it went down even further. I think it will. I think we'll hit $20. We'll see what happens, though. I mean, it might have a dead cat bounce, or it would rally a little bit before it heads further down. But I believe that direction is this stock is going to hit the base bottom of, around $20-ish, $20, possibly below $20. I'm hoping, but it might not ever reach there. But we're having a market crash, so it could happen. You can't take the possibility that it won't. I mean, I would be an aggressive buyer if it went below $20. Aurora, it's also going down too. Oh, it's actually kind of rallying. Interesting. I know there's a lot of people that like Aurora because that video I made had 100 dislikes and 60 likes. A lot of people participated in the likes and dislikes of that video. I made that video saying that Aurora is not perfect. There's wrong stuff in all companies. All companies have problems. They have the good points. They have their problems. Aurora is a good company, but they also have their problems. They're not perfect. Canopy is also have a lot of problems, and they're nowhere close to perfect. But they have $5 billion, so it's hard to argue with $5 billion. Canopy is going to continue to make mistakes, but they can afford to make those mistakes because they have so much money and a big business partner backing them. So yeah, that's all I really have to say. Why did I have McDonald's up again? But happy that McDonald's is down. I have a put option on it. I'm hoping McDonald's fall way further than this. NBEV. I decided to pull the rug on NBEV. I decided to just sell all my shares of NBEV. I am no longer a shareholder of NBEV because I would rather have the cash. And I'm hoping that the stock tanks all the way back to $4. If I would be very, very happy if it hit $3. I would be a big buyer at $3. At $4, I would buy back my shares. At $3, I'll be a big buyer. So I'll be a really big buyer at $3, and at $4, I'd probably buy shares, like buy back at least a few thousand, maybe 5 to 10,000 shares. I'm not too sure yet, but definitely be looking at it if it goes back down to $4. But if it goes to $6, $7, $8, you know, I made the mistake. I know there's a lot of hype for NBEV. I know there's a lot of people that like NBEV. I like NBEV, but we're in a market crash right now. I shouldn't be holding into any stocks, especially ones that are profitable, that I can use that money to buy something else, because there's so many companies on sale right now. So many companies on sale. Like Apple. Apple is on sale right now. Well, I mean, it could go down further, but it's pretty much, it's a pretty good opportunity right now. I mean, it could, I do believe it's going to head down further. I put a I put a put option on it today. And I do believe that it's going down to 140 or even lower than that. I think it's going to go to 120 to 100. We could have a bounce, so it could bounce back to 155, 160, and then it'll go back to its decline mode. But I think the direction the stock is heading down. Some people believe that we'll have a bounce in the new year. We could. Santa might be late. Santa might come and beat up the Grinch at New Year's. I don't know why, but might. So we'll see what happens. But right now, my Black Monday prediction is kind of coming true. It was a lot better, but oh well. It trades back and forth. Facebook is rallying. That sucks for me because I mean, I'm losing money on Facebook puts right now, but hopefully this is Microsoft. Microsoft. I'm so up with Microsoft. I am up 800%. No wait, 700% with Microsoft. I'm up $13,000 on Microsoft. It feels really good to be you know, have a put on Microsoft. Microsoft's making me so much money. I don't know why people even short stocks. I mean, I get the reason why. They're trying to get the stock price lower. Put options don't get the stock price lower. Shorting a stock does, because you're borrowing a stock to sell. I still have a short on Microsoft. I bought the short when it was around $1.09. So I bought it almost at the peak. I bought my short almost at the peak, and now the stock price is $98.23. Oh, sorry, $95.80. I'm up like 15%, 12%, like $1,000. So I mean, it's not even that rewarding to short a stock. The only reason why you would want to short a stock is because you want the stock price to go lower. Shorting a stock is a little bit easier than put options because you can wait on the short as long as you want. You just got to pay interest. While put options, it expires at a certain date depending on where you put that certain date. Tilray is down today. I covered half my Tilray position because I was a little bit nervous and I wanted to take some profit. So I took some profit with Tilray. I covered up my Tilray my put position, half of it anyways. I still have that a half, which I'm hoping I can which I'm hoping I can cover today. Tilray does make me nervous because Tilray is backed by billionaires, and it could do the exact opposite of the stock market. Bitcoin rallying, like I mean, it 420 420, bros, for anybody that understand what that means. I don't know if Bitcoin is a safe haven. I don't know where Bitcoin's future is. Maybe it has a future, maybe it doesn't. If it ever drops to $1,000, I may pick up some for fun. I would just try to figure out how to buy some Bitcoin if it ever hits $1,000. It might never hit $1,000, but it may. So we'll see what happens in the future. But I'm not gonna be a buyer of Bitcoin unless it hits $1,000. At $1,000, I'll make a small gamble on it. I'll buy one Bitcoin at $1,000, but I'm just gonna leave it alone for now. Loblaws, still, the stock is still, it's kind of getting affected right now, but I'm just so shocked that this stock is not getting affected more than it should. Like this stock should be plummeting. Like this stock should be like $50. The rest of the market is like red and ugly, and most of the Canadian company stocks that I see are down and ugly and red. But this one Loblaws seems to be holding up well. I don't know why. I don't know why people are willing to hold on to their Loblaws shares. But I have a put option on it, so I want the stock to keep plummeting, so I can keep making more and more and more money. So that's my hope for Loblaws. We'll see what happens, but the market, like I said, is in decline mode right now, so I might get lucky. People might panic and sell out of Loblaws, so then they can, relocate their cash at a better investment in anywhere, basically. Right now, there's a lot of stuff on sale, so I don't know why Loblaws is even stabilizing and moving up. Aurora's kind of recovering. It fell hard in the morning, and now it's like bouncing back. I don't know where Aurora stock's heading. I could put a put option on it, but put options on Aurora suck ass. Put options on Canopy suck ass. I would rather put option like Facebook, Apple, Nike, McDonald's. Big corporations make you a lot more money when you do put options on them. Versus, I guess there's a tip. So if you guys watch this far into the video, here's a tip: don't do put options on Aurora or like speculative stocks, because your returns are very small compared to a big company. Unless you're positive that the stock's gonna go down 20% or up 20%. Don't really do put options on them. You're not going to make as much money as you would on like Microsoft, McDonald's, and all the big players. T-God also down with the market today. Down, almost 12 cents. So people who bought the rally, people who tried to make the T-God to rally, bought it, now is, suffering. I think this stock's heading to $2 or even below $2, but I believe that this stock could head to like below $2, like $1.90 maybe. That would make it, a very, very good opportunity to buy, because not really I wouldn't call it an opportunity. I'm saying T-God is still a gamble at the end of the day. It's still a speculative stock. You don't know how management is gonna execute. Besides the fact that Aurora is building their facility, they have 2 facilities coming online. It's still a highly speculative stock, but they are a safe, high speculative stock. Canopy Growth, down today, but kind of like bouncing back. It should just keep going down, in my opinion. Rivers, $2.48. Holy shit, another big opportunity to buy, because this stock used to be $9. I bought it at $9, and I'm kicking myself. because I lost a lot of money. I'm sure there's, because I was a fanboy of freaking Canopy, so I was like, oh, Canopy Rivers will be good. But I was wrong, and now I sold it off. So I sold it off around $3.70, and now it's $2.48. Another not bad buy. I mean, look at the market cap, $424 million. There used to be $1 billion. If you buy now, and it goes back to $10, you would 4 times your money, 5 times your money. I mean, it could have a rally next year on any time, but it may not. It might just keep declining and just stay low and cheap. I guess at the end of the day, Rivers will move with a Canopy. If Canopy goes down, Rivers will go down with Canopy. I think Canopy is going to be around a while. I don't think Canopy is just going to completely disappear. So Canopy Rivers will never go away because, you know, Canopy Rivers have money. Canopy has money. Canopy can easily support Canopy Rivers with their huge amount of cash pile. And I also want to remind you that this is also excellent opportunity too. 67 cents. I mean, I think it can go down further. I think it can go down to like 50 cents. 50 cents will make it a pretty good buy, because this stock used to be $3 or $4. Actually, it traded out at $9, and then it fell real quick that day. But if it goes back to like $3 and you bought it at like 50 cents, you would literally 100, 400, about 500% your money if the stock went back, ever went back to $3, if it does. So I mean, this is also an opportunity too, but I would not, you know, it's risky. I mean, I don't think it's gonna disappear, but you know, it is highly speculative. That's why I'm saying that there's a lot of stuff on sale right now, lots of opportunity out there. If I ever bought into AUSA, it'd probably be for the long term, and I would try to buy it at a little, I mean, as low as possible. But I honestly don't know when the bottom is. I think it will hit 50 cents, and then it may rally from there, but it could go down like 25 cents. So you know, I don't know at the end of the day. I'm just, this is pure speculation. There's no charts to indicate where the bottom is for this company. So it could drop down to 25 cents. It could drop down to 50 cents. It does not mean the company's operating well or not well. It's just the market trades it that way. Alfura. Afria is rallying today. What the hell? To announce second quarter results on January 11, 2019. That's why they're gonna be. That's why they're rallying, because they're announcing the earnings on January 11th. Namaste. Like Namaste could right now offer a great opportunity too, because if this stock goes back to $3 ish or $4, you would 4 times your money or 5 times your money, 400 or 500% your money. If it goes down to 50 cents, it would make it a killer opportunity to purchase some really cheap shares. There's so many companies on sale. Man, Afria is totally, I just gotta say, Afria I think is like totally insider controlled. Like, this stock moves from insiders moving the stock, because they still have a lawsuit on them, and the stock's still rallying. So, and it's acting the complete opposite of the market. Let's see where Aurora is. Aurora is rallying too, huh? How about Weed? Weed is not rallying. Aurora is rallying back. We'll see where this goes. Maybe people thought that this was a great opportunity to pick up some dirt cheap shares, and buying it, and it's rallying back. I know there's a lot of people that like this company. They don't want to see their stock. They don't want to see the stock price any lower. Maybe they also hate me too, and they're trying to make the stock rally. It could be possible. At the end of the day, I'm not willing to buy this until the stock hits $5. So we'll see what happens. The market is still very bad right now. So, you know, people, the bad market could reflect Aurora if, you know, the market continues to sell off tomorrow. I mean, not tomorrow. On the 26th, on the 27th, on the 28th, Aurora and Canopy and everything else will just fall along with the market. At least this is just my humble opinion or prediction, but at the end of the day, I'm not 100% sure. You know, nobody can ever be 100% sure. But so far, I've been pretty correct about a bad market, and Black Monday might not happen for me because the market seems to kind of stabilize in the red. But oh well, whatever. That's, you know, you don't always get what you want all the time. I'm getting like half of what I want right now. Let's see what McDonald's at. Come on, McDonald's, keep dropping, you overinflated company. Anyways, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.